haven't guessed already, we are no longer in Taiwan.
We are in Vietnam. We made it.
Yeah, we just arrived in Vietnam about an hour ago. We're in Hanoi.
Yeah, it was generally really easy to get here. Well, our hotel is in the old quarter. It was really simple to get from the airport here. But it is so hot and humid, and we were carrying our rucksacks, which are like 15 kilos each, and that was not pleasant. But we're here, we have aircon, and everything is good.
Yeah, looks good so far. We're going to head out now, have a look at some food, because we haven't really eaten much today, apart from some Burger King in the airport.
Cultural.
Felt very cultural. And see what's about.
Yeah, food and bevies. So Matt, what have you got there?
No, not pho. It's pho. So it's a traditional thing to get here, and it's super tasty.
What flavour did you go for?
I've got traditional flavour, or traditional broth. There's some chicken. It's quite light. It's not too spicy. It's really good.
I like mine. Spicy, spicy.
Yeah.
So good.
Do you enjoy your dinner?
Oh, it was so good. I just love noodles and broth.
Yeah.
Noodles and broth. That's all I need.
It was good. And that was like £1.
Yeah, I know. It's a pound.
Yeah. I think we're going to end up spending just as much money on food as we do beer here. Like 1 for 1. These guys are wearing completely black and they're just wandering across.
Matt, are you commenting on people's safety?
Yeah, I am. I think it's really dangerous. Someone's going to die.
Boring.
Safety in numbers. You guys made it.
It's so hot. I'm so sweaty.
Good morning. It's the next day in Vietnam. We didn't actually do any sign-off last night, so sorry about that.
We spent so long drinking those beers and watching that traffic chaos unfold.
So far we've just had some breakfast at the hostel that was free, and we are going to head across town to the citadel, the Thang Long citadel. So on the way here we found some train tracks, stumbled across some train tracks that run straight through the city, this little street. Apparently trains still run through there, and it was lined by those nice little coffee bars. This is the Thang Long citadel. It's basically the old capital of Vietnam, the old centre of the capital. It's where the North Vietnamese had their military shelters for the war against the US. So we've been down to the bunkers to have a look at that. That was really interesting.
We headed for lunch at Banh Mi Phi, where we had 2 banh mis and a couple of cokes, and it came to a really reasonable price. After that we headed to the Notebook Cafe, which is opposite the main lake in Hanoi, and we had 2 egg coffees. Oh my gosh, that is like a dessert.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really good. It's like creme, what's that, like, you know, the jelly?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Like more watery, obviously. That's so good. We had pho for dinner that night. It came to 60,000 dong each. Matt was still hungry after that, so we went and found another banh mi for him.
The winner of the Vietnamese MasterChef TV show owns this place. Apparently it's really nice.
Yeah. Look, you can see the M there in the background.
He's used the logo, hasn't he?
Yeah, we're big fans of MasterChef, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
Are you filming me?
Mm-hmm.
Why does Bingo go for so much money?
It's only £1.
Only. Your budget's £30 a day. We're finally in Vietnam, aren't we, hun?
Yeah.